If your kitchen sink has that stubborn, lingering odor, that dish soap and scrubbing is not helping, which mine does often, you need to see this. This was gifted to me from the brand to share with you. These are the upgraded 2.0 extra large garbage disposal clean air tablets, and these are just so easy. I love these things. So let's go take a look and let's see it in action. First, you want to make sure that the disposal is empty. You're going to run hot water for a full minute to kind of get everything flushed out. You're going to reduce the flow to just like a pencil-sized trickle away from the basin. And then you're going to go ahead and put the tablet in. You drop it in, and then you're going to run it for 1 full minute. 2 tablets if it's really bad. And then you can see the foam, and just keep that water going and just keep it going for 1 full minute so it cycles through. And then you can briefly just let the water keep going and remove all of the foam. It will just drain out. And then you have a nice clean sink. So the first question you probably have is, does it actually reach the hidden parts under the rim? And just like you saw the foam come up. And so instead of liquid rinses, this one creates that foam that physically goes into the interior chamber and rinses up and scrubs all of the blades and everything underneath to keep every single inch and clean that, all of the grime and the oil, clean it all up. And the tablets, they are infused with an all-natural ingredient, and so it helps with the unpleasant odors, and it gives you a long-lasting citrus type scent. And then, is it safe for older plumbing or septic systems? Yes, it features a completely septic safe formula, and it boosts universal compatibility across all major disposal brands. What I love about this is it gives you a full year supply. You just use it once a month and you're good to go for the rest of the year. It's fast, super satisfying routine that keeps your kitchen just fresh and smelling better every single day. So if you want a powerful, hassle-free way to just blast away that residue quickly, this foaming tablet set is a great find.